Hi, it's nice to have you here again. And I can recall that there was a post that was made on the Crypto Niche Hangout channel on WhatsApp, this afternoon, some hours ago. So I said that this airdrop is paying with Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, PHY, and so on at the moment. So who is interested in it? So with enough reaction on this post, I may just drop a short video about the airdrop. Yeah, it's been a long time since I dropped any airdrop on this platform. This one may be worth it. So based on, we got enough reaction on, on this. Within a few hours, we had about 57 reaction in the channel. So, and I think that is encouraging, that is encouraging enough to make a video tutorial on how you can go about the airdrop. So before I proceed on this, if you are new to this YouTube channel, this is Crypto Ninja channel, where a lot of tutorials, valuable content have been uploaded, you know, that you are going to benefit from. So if you are first time subscriber or first time viewers, I want to say welcome. Okay, and if you're a returning subscriber, probably subscribed and you're watching this video again from this channel, I want to say thank you very much, for being loyal and for being staying with Crypto Niche for for a long time. So I want to say thank you for that. Thank you. So let's have a look at this tonight before we go to sleep. Let's have a look at the airdrop. So here is it. This is the platform, as you can see. Okay, so this is how it works. You have to listen and watch the video to the end so that you don't miss out on any point. So this is the platform. I think they are trying to copy, they're trying to copy coinmarketcap.com. So you can see they have like a news, quotes, ranking, on the platform. So you have the videos, they have calendar, study lucky draw, and chat platform is also available on the platform. Okay, so well, here is the reason why you are here. You want to claim the gems. These are the gems, the gem, EXS, GTC. There are several other cryptocurrencies on their platform. Okay, so they have a sports trading platform. The deposit, withdraw, transfer, and flash swap. They are all here for you. All right, this is a flash swap. Okay, if you check the flash swap, you see uh, options of tokens you can swap to. This is the gem right here. You can see. So this is basically how the platform works. You can swap cryptocurrency right here. They call it flash swap. You can deposit and you can make a withdrawal on their platform. So even though there is deposit here, this is airdrop. I will not be expecting any one of you to try to deposit on the platform. Stick with this withdrawal and transfer, or probably if you want to use this swap platform. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up on the platform. There's going to be a link below, which is my invite link right there below the video. Use that link to register. Here is it. If you register, okay, I will get 2,000 gem, okay, which is equivalent of 30 cents. Okay, 30 cents should be probably around maybe like 500, 400, in naira value. I don't know what that would be in Ghana cities or some other currencies. So let's assume now that you're able to invite like 20 of your friends. That would be like 0.3 times 20. That's like $6. Then you can withdraw the money out of the platform. So, but um, you have to note this, and that is important. If you refer someone and they are not checking it like at least 2 days, they have to check in like 2 days, meaning that it will take you like 3 days before their the referrals can make any money for you. All right. So if you refer, let's say your name is John, then you refer someone like Ebuka to the platform. So Ebuka will need to check in like the following day. He needs to like log in and check in. Check in means that you just go to the website and open it, all right, and close it. Check in, log in, and exit. So he has to do that for the first day, and he has to do that for the second day, right? So if he's able to do it for 2 days, then this is going to reflect in your balance. So they are putting that in place to check out cyber and to check out spams. Those who are going to spam their platform, want to eliminate them. So make sure that when you refer them, you send continuous reminder to them to check in. That is how you're going to be able to claim the gem. Okay, that is equal to 30 cents, right? So, and the good thing is, if you invite someone and the person that you invited someone else, you are going to get gems for it, right? And if you also sign in, maybe like you sign in, there is like 60 gems for that. That 60 gems could be uh, maybe like 10 cents thereabout. Okay. So the more you use the platform, like you sign in every day, every day, every day, you are accumulating those gem points. I don't know if that is clear to you. You are kind of accumulating those gem points, right? So that's one thing you need to be aware of. So I think there are like 2 ways or 3 ways to make money on the platform. Now there is I think the referral level is up to like third or fourth level referral system, meaning that if you are John and you refer Ebuka, the Ebuka goes ahead to refer uh maybe like Johannes, and Johannes now refer someone like Shitu, right? So you are still going to get a bonus if Shitu use the platform and check in for like 2 days. Okay, it might be small, but you are going to get something out of it. So that's why I said it is possible if you know what you're doing. Nothing stops you from cashing out like $50 from here, $50, even $100 from here. Does that make sense to you now? So you have friends on WhatsApp status, you have friends on WhatsApp, you have friends on Telegram. Yeah, please don't spam anyone. Okay, I'm not a fan of spam. Like, just go to group. You don't ask for permission, except it's a free group. Like, anybody can just do anything on that platform. So, maybe you have a community. Go ahead and post it. Go share on Facebook, right? Before you know it, those points keeps accumulating. All right, and you can easily swap this for other tokens. That you can go to like Flash Swap and swap this. If you have frozen, okay, it's not something for trading yet, but of course you can withdraw. Once this reflects, the reason why I'm not able to like swap right now is because the 2 days is not elapsed yet, because I just started using the platform today. So by tomorrow and next tomorrow, I will check in, and this is going to reflect, and it will become something that I can withdraw from the platform. Okay, so you go to your personal center here, you can see it's frozen. Okay, so once I check in like 2 days, it moves from frozen to available gems right here, and I'll be able to like swap or probably withdraw from the platform. I get it now. So you need to add your address here. You have to edit this address, you know. So this is your more like your ID, your UID on the platform. All right. So you can come here like invitation reward. You can come here and copy your own codes too and share with your friends. Okay. The same way I'm inviting you to the platform to use it, that's the same way you copy this code and invite your friends. Okay. You can see they have like 4 level referral system, and that is quite impressive. Now you have a lucky draw here. A lucky draw means that you are gambling. So when you have some points, okay, this is one of the ways that a platform like this always used to take back some of the money from you. So by the time you struggle to accumulate those points, please don't use that point for lottery. Whatever point you're able to accumulate, whatever amount of money you're able to get from the platform, just go ahead and cash it out. All right. Do not use your sweat to play lottery. Doesn't make any sense to me. I get it now. So because you might actually try and try and try and try, and you may not actually win anything. This is not something you want to do, right? This is a dinosaur that will swallow all your points. It doesn't make any sense. Right. So please do not try that. Okay. That may actually ruin all the gems that you have acquired. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so the platform is designed to trick you, and and mess up your point. So you don't want that. You don't want that to happen to you. So they have a community where you can interact. Pretty much like CoinMarketCap that you can post, make a comment, and all of that. They have a video platform where you can see videos on different market trend, blockchain, altcoin, Ethereum. They have a calendar. It looks like core market calendar that provides you updates with respect to what is about to happen in the market. They have a ranking system, top losers, top trades, new listings, across exchanges, they're all here. And they have quotes, showing you the live price action of different assets is here. The news platform is there, like 247 news, NFT news, Bitcoin news, Ethereum news, DeFi news, and blockchain news, they're all there. So the platform is really built in a way that you will enjoy using the platform. And they have a plan of building their own exchange. I think probably it could be like late this year or early next year. It's part of their roadmap. So they are building and they are trying to like attract as many users as possible to their platform. Maybe they have some fundings, maybe they have some backers who's backing the project, and they have funding, that's one that's that tends to like they use that funding to attract users. Okay, so that is the phase where they are right now. Okay, they want to attract millions of users, thousands of users across the world. All right. So you have the task center. You can check it out. Let's wait for that to be loaded completely. Let's have a look at it. So it looks like my internet is kind of slow. So, but you can just try and explore the platform if you want. But I believe that what is most important to many people is the airdrop thing. Okay, the airdrop thing. So check the video description for link, and also check the video comments for link on how to join the platform. So yeah, let me know if you have any challenge or any issue with the platform. Okay, I'll be there to provide assistance and help. All right. So please, that's how it works. It's not magic, it's not rocket science. If I refresh this, you see the total assets right now. So the network is a bit slow, and that is why we are seeing all of this at the moment. So yeah, that is it. Have a lovely day. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, turn on notification bell. Okay, that's how to encourage me to keep posting stuff like this on the channel. And that's how to like keep the ball rolling. So guys, share with your friends. Don't be selfish. All right, share with your friends. Like the video. All right, make a comment down below. And don't forget to share. There's love in sharing. Bye.